You should keep it in a bottle, in a glass bottle, and keep it in fridge. This is our buttermilk, which is very good for our health, for digestion, for weight loss, for skin, for hair. Hey guys, welcome to Health Recipes Fitness Tips. Today I am sharing a very easy recipe of buttermilk, which is non-oily. For this, even we don't need the help of that mixer grinder made by this handmade mixie, which is very cheaply available in market, some 100-200 rupees only. And this buttermilk is very good for your weight loss, your skin, your hair, your overall body health, constipation, for gut health. So without wasting time, let's see how to make this buttermilk at home very easily. This is non-oily, there is no sugar at all. So let's see how to make it. For making this homemade buttermilk, which is perfect for summer, I am using Milky Mist curd. You can use any curd of your choice. I need cumin powder. I am using chill water. You can use normal water also. I am using black salt and some hing and some ginger. You can see I need one bowl. I will not use any mixer grinder. This buttermilk using this hand mixie. Very easily available, some 100-200 rupees. You will get this hand mixie in market. And to make the paste of this ginger, I am using this mortar pestle. And to preserve this buttermilk in my fridge, I am using this container. In any shop, you will get this kind of glass container. So friends, first we will paste this ginger very nicely, because I am not using any mixer grinder jar here. One thing I want to mention, that ginger is very good for our health. It helps in weight loss. In morning with some water, if you boil ginger and make this ginger tea, it will help you in weight loss. It is very good for your overall health. It boosts your immunity. It protects you from cold, cough, this kind of problems. It helps in indigestion. So here I am using this ginger. You can see, and I have not removed the skin of the ginger, because in the skin also some very good nutrients are present in ginger. I'm adding this black salt now. After that I'm adding this hing for giving a very nice flavor. And now I am adding some cumin seeds powder. You can make cumin seeds powder at home by just roasting the cumin seeds and then making the powder of it. Now I will add this curd with it. You can use homemade curd also. Homemade curds are also very good because they are low in fat. That's why here I am using cream-free yogurt. I will mix all these ingredients nicely, as you can see. Friends, summer is a time when we always look for ice cream, cold drinks, these things and all. But this is not good for our health. One day, 2 day, okay, but every time if you consume, you are actually consuming so much calories. Instead of that, if you consume this buttermilk daily after your food, or even whenever you are feeling hungry, then you can avoid lots of calories and you can avoid the junk foods and all. Automatically you will lose weight. This buttermilk is also very good for those who are having constipation problem, because we all know that curd is rich in probiotics, which are killing the bad bacteria present in our intestines. Who are having constipation, bloating, this problem, they should include this curd or yogurt in their diet every day. So now I will add this chilled water with it. I'm not using any oil for tempering, because to avoid that extra calories. This is very simple homemade buttermilk recipe. No need of using any mixer grinder jar. It's very easy. Even in office also, if you carry this simple ingredients, you can make it immediately. Even you can carry this buttermilk with you. You can keep it in fridge for 1 to 2 days maximum. Now I will use this hand mixie for making this buttermilk. see how nicely it's coming. This hand mixie I bought from one shopping mall. I think some 100 or maximum 200 rupees. But this is very good for making lassi, fruit juice. So many things you can make, even for dal and all also. Here I was thinking like buttermilk, maybe made from butter and all, so it may be sweet and all. But trust me, the name is fully opposite whatever it is, but it is really very healthy for your health, your hair, your skin, your bone health, for everything. You should include this buttermilk. If you see all the celebrities and all, whoever in there in Bollywood, Tollywood, they all are consuming this butter drink daily basis. First of all, it is very cheap. It is very good for your health. When our buttermilk is ready, you can see. I want to remove this ginger, this thing. So I will use a strainer for this, and I will remove this, and after that we will see that how it is looking. So friends, you can see that using one strainer I have removed this ginger, and now you can see this is our buttermilk. This is yum, this is healthy, this is perfect for summer. So this is our buttermilk, which is very good for our health, for digestion, for weight loss, for skin, for hair, for gut health, constipation, for everything. Even if you want to store this buttermilk in your fridge, you should keep it in a bottle, in a glass bottle, and keep it in fridge, so that next day also you can enjoy this buttermilk. So you should not consume this buttermilk in empty stomach. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and family and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell for further updates. Thanks for watching. Take care.